Every banana chip begins its journey in fertile soil under open skies.
Only perfectly mature banana fruit earns the mark for processing.
Precision harvesting protects the banana fruit from damage.
Care on the ground preserves quality from the very first moment.
Sorting begins before the banana ever leaves the farm.
Structured handling prevents bruising and waste. From field to road, the banana fruit keeps moving forward.
This gate marks the end of farming and the start of industry. Every kilogram of banana fruit is recorded for traceability.
Transport readiness ensures a smooth factory intake. Balanced loading protects the banana fruit during travel.
The banana fruit now heads toward transformation.
Fresh banana fruit begins its journey toward industrial precision.
Constant monitoring keeps the banana fruit safe in motion.
Distance closes as the factory draws nearer.
Agriculture slowly fades into industry.
Short checks prevent long losses. With approval, the banana fruit moves on.
The banana fruit enters controlled industrial territory. The destination now stands in sight.
Every banana fruit delivery is verified.
Traceability protects both product and process.
The factory opens its doors to raw banana fruit. The transport phase ends, and processing is about to begin.
Inside these walls, raw banana fruit becomes a finished food.
Precision begins even before unloading starts. Human judgment ensures machine-ready placement.
The factory prepares to receive fresh banana fruit.
Tools are set before the banana fruit moves.
Fresh air meets harvested banana fruit.
Quality checks begin at the gate.
Movement stays smooth to protect the banana fruit.
The factory workflow now takes control. Clean handling protects every banana fruit. Each zone is designed for controlled flow.
Next, banana fruit enters the cleaning stage.
Before processing, banana fruit must be cleaned thoroughly.
Controlled unloading prevents surface damage.
Clean water strips away field residue.
Gentle motion ensures even cleaning.
Moisture is reduced before inspection. Human eyes catch what machines may miss.
Only suitable banana fruit moves ahead.
Uniform sizing ensures even slicing later. A final rinse prepares banana fruit for processing.
Approval moves the process forward.
Clean banana fruit enters the core line. The transformation stage is about to begin. Peeling begins the true transformation of banana fruit. Automation delivers speed with consistency.
Waste is separated instantly to keep the line clean.
Human precision fine-tunes machine output.
Color and freshness are preserved instantly.
Excess moisture is carefully removed. Thickness control defines the final crunch.
Uniform slices ensure even cooking. Quality is checked at every critical step.
Flavor preparation begins before frying. Even contact ensures consistent taste. Now, banana slices move toward heat and crunch.
Heat is where banana slices become banana chips.
Precise temperature transforms texture in seconds.
Speed and timing define the perfect crunch. Control keeps every banana chip consistent.
Clean oil protects flavor and quality.
Excess oil is removed immediately.
Airflow perfects the final texture. Color signals readiness.
Flavor is added with balance. Every banana chip receives equal attention.
Flavor is set as heat fades. Cooling prepares banana chips for precision handling. Automation ensures speed without compromise.
Every banana chip is visually verified.
Imperfections are removed instantly.
Safety checks protect the final product.
Balanced flow stabilizes the system.
Only intact banana chips move on.
Data guides every decision.
Alignment prepares for finishing.
Automation hands over to precision.
Now, refinement completes the process.
Finishing defines the final standard of banana chips.
Only perfect shapes move ahead.
Consistency is measured, not guessed.
Surface balance improves appearance and taste. Temperature stabilizes before packing.
Accuracy begins before packaging.
Every gram is calculated.
Prepared portions move without delay.
Final checks protect consistency.
Traceability continues into packaging.
Verification now takes center stage.
Quality is proven, not assumed.
Samples represent every batch of banana chips.
Surface quality speaks volumes.
Moisture control preserves crunch.
Balanced oil defines taste.
Crunch is measured scientifically.
Safety checks run silently in the background.
Data completes the quality loop.
Only approved banana chips move forward.
Quality cleared, production resumes.
The final stage is ready.
Packaging protects the banana chips for their final journey.
Accuracy continues until the very end. Seals lock in freshness. Every packet tells its own story.
Final eyes confirm final quality.
Individual packs become bulk supply.
Pallets prepare banana chips for storage. Storage maintains readiness for dispatch. Distribution begins at the loading bay.
And this is how modern factories produce banana chips from start to finish.
From field to factory, precision drives progress.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.